A-4. A-4 is flying over my house right now. Doing some kind of training routine, it looks like. No clue, but I think this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. I don't like what he's doing right now, though. I'm getting a video right now. This is crazy. Watch this. He's about to scream. Where is he? There he comes. Yes, sir. I wonder what he's doing. If there's Russians here, dude, I'm going to run. See if I can get it. He's about to come right there. Watch, he peeks through right over here. He must have been waiting to land. Because look, he's about to pop through here. There he is. There he goes.